3 minus 5 equals minus 2, and 6 minus 8 equals minus 2 to the power of 1. Now minus 2 and minus 2 to the power of 1 equals 1, right? So now here is multiply, so minus 2 times 1 equals minus 2. But this is wrong. Why? Because first of all, parentheses must be done before subtraction and multiplication. Here is hidden multiply. After parentheses, exponent must be done before multiplication and subtraction. So 3 minus 5 and 6 minus 8 equals minus 2, right, to the power of 1. Now 3 minus 5 and minus 2 to the power of 1 equals 1. Here is multiply, so 5 times 1 equals 5 and 3. Now 3 minus 5 equals minus 2.